Do you like to get up when the early birds do? Then my science fair project will be helpful to you. The not so simple early bird machine. What you'll need: early bird, birdseed, lever, bell, wheel, string, scissors, hammer, toothpaste, toothbrush. How it works: early bird jumps on birdseed, lever lifts, bell rings, you wake up, scissors cut, hammer drops, and toothpaste squirts on toothbrush. This project shows how much you can do with simple machines, and a few other things too. Thanks for the lessons, Papa Bear. Now we're all set for the science fair. Not so fast, you're not ready yet. There are more science lessons you have to get. But Papa, look over there. They're getting ready for the science fair. We have lots of time. Just stop the chatter. I still have to teach you some facts about matter. Actual facts about matter. What is matter? Anything that has weight and takes up room is matter. There are many kinds of matter. Some kinds are heavy. A small amount may weigh many pounds. This piece of pipe is heavy. It's made of lead. Other kinds of matter are light. A large amount may weigh very little. Feathers are light. A few pounds fill my feather bed. But whatever it is, if it has weight and takes up room, it's matter. I've learned all about matter once. It was fun. What is matter? I'll tell you. I'm a science whiz. It's just about everything there is. The three kinds of matter. I still remember from my science class that matter can be solid, liquid, or gas. 1. Solid. A piece of matter that keeps its shape is called a solid. There are many solids. They're all around. Those rocks, that sign, the road, the ground. Now what solids do you see? Sharp curve. That tree, Papa Bear. Look out for that tree. Bonk. Wow, that was some solid. That giant oak tree. Yes, that was a solid. I do agree. While Mama and Papa Bear are making repairs, let's name two solids with the two little bears. How many solids can we name? Let's see. Wood, metal, glass, plastic. Rubber's a solid that's elastic. We're party solids: claw, tooth, muscle, bone. So is the earth: sand, soil, clay, stone. We wear some solids: straw, shell, cotton, feather, gold, wool, nylon, leather. Some solids we eat: meat, sugar, chocolate, cheese, hard-boiled egg, pudding, peas. Solids are most of the things we've known. Solids all have a shape of their own. 2. Liquid. Liquid matter has no shape on its own. It flows and pours. Are we ready for liquids? I see that you are. Without liquids to drink, we wouldn't get far. The most useful liquid, are you listening, daughter? The most useful liquid is the one we call water. Water and how we use it. For drinking, we use water from rivers and streams and underground wells. Ask nickel and knife. For transportation, by using boats, we can travel wherever there's enough water. For raising food, plants won't grow without it. For washing, we can't keep clean without water. For fighting fires. Water can put out most fires. Even, ask Smokey, the one who says, "Jump, jump, we'll catch you," for keeping cool. For power. Water flowing downhill turns water wheels. This wheel is turning a grindstone that grinds wheat into flour. The most useful liquid is water, it's true, but other liquids are useful too. Other useful liquids: gasoline makes motors go. Oil makes them run smoothly. Dye colors cloth. Alcohol kills germs. Some liquids are useful because they harden into solids. Glue, nail polish, concrete. Daddy Pig learns a lot about concrete. 3. Gas. Gas is matter that, like liquid, has no shape at all. It can be collected in a closed container, or it can spread out in the air. Gas balloon. Do not touch. A gas balloon. Lucky for us, we happen to pass. This is our chance to learn about gas. But Papa, that sign makes it very clear. There may be a chance of some danger here. Not for a gas expert like me. To understand gases, use this as a key. Solids and liquids take up a limited space, but gases spread out all over the place. There's helium gas in this small tank. I wonder what happens when you turn the crank. The balloon goes up. The balloon goes up. That's what happens, Pop. And I don't think it's gonna stop. Papa, what makes it fly? What makes the balloon go up so high? Oh, hi. A very good question, Sister Bear. Helium gas is lighter than air. How we use gases. We cook with gas. It warms our toes. The gas in soda tickles your nose. A gas called Freon keeps things cold. The smells are those are gases. They warn you if an egg's too old. But the most useful gas, make no mistake, is the one we breathe in with each breath we take. We cannot see it, but we're glad it's there. The gas called oxygen that's in the air. Wow, that lesson on gases was exciting, Dad. Well, science is never dull, my lad. I have a project, so does brother. Do you have a science fair project, Mother? I'm thinking of one right now, my dear. It should make the science of matter quite clear. The three kinds of matter are what you will see when you do this science experiment with me. 1. Start with ice. Ice is a solid. It has weight. It takes up space, and ice has a shape on its own. 2. Take ice from through a freezer. Let it melt. 3. It will change. It'll change the water. Water to a liquid. It still has weight. It still takes up space, but no longer has the shape of stone. It flows and pours. Next, heat the water. Let it boil. It would all change to steam. Steam is a gas. It still has weight. It still takes up space, but now it has no shape at all. Now you know that matter can change its form when a temperature gets a little too warm. Note, not all solids are as easy to change as ice, but all solids, even rock, will change if they get hot enough. Thank you, Papa. Those lessons were fun. We really appreciate all you've done. And thanks to your lessons, Papa Bear, we all have good projects for the fair. That's right, Small Bear. The three of you do. But I plan to make a project too. So hold everything now and wait for me. You still have to learn about energy.